Today we're gonna be making carrot cake, so if you want to learn how, stick around for the video. These are the ingredients that we'll be using for the carrot cake. Obviously, you have your shredded carrots, cinnamon, baking powder. Some people put baking soda, but I'm not going to. I don't have the best luck when baking and using that. Raisins, that's optional. You can also put nuts, coconut flakes, eggs, sugar, vegetable oil. And for the frosting, we're gonna use some butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. Oh, and of course, flour. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. And we're gonna do 2 cups of flour. And we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. This is not enough, so I'm gonna grab the other one. Okay, I went a little bit over, so I'll put a little bit less. Okay, and then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Like I said, I'm not gonna use baking soda because I don't have luck with that. So it's just 2. This is good. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. We need some salt as well, so we can add a little bit of salt. I'll just grab the side of the spoon. Just a small amount. That's it. So with the small spatula, I think this is a spatula, we're just gonna mix up the powdered ingredients, and then we're probably gonna put this in the blender. We're gonna add the 4 eggs and 1.5 cup of oil, and we're gonna leave that to stir on this for 5 minutes. No, I'm gonna check here because I'm not an expert. There you go. And a half. And we're just gonna throw the eggs in. And we're gonna leave it in medium. We've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so you should do the same. This is how the paste should look like for the cake after 5 minutes or so. We're gonna put in the carrots, 1 cup of coconut, shredded coconut, and we're gonna put a cup of raisins. Now, the raisins are optional, but because we are doing this for my dad's birthday, he likes raisins in the cake. And we're gonna put that to mix again. So we've sprayed with oil the pan, and we're gonna put the mixture into the pan. I'm just gonna dump this in here. We're gonna do the frosting. The cake we put to bake for 45 minutes. Using a hand mixer is what we're gonna use to do the frosting. We're going to grab the cream cheese in a bowl along with butter. Just do the whole thing. We're gonna put powdered sugar on it, and we're gonna use the zest of lime. Lemon, I've never tried it, but lime is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna mix the two with the hand mixer. So this is basically ready. I'm gonna throw in all the zest from the lime and I'm gonna mix it. This is the final outcome of the cake. I know it aesthetically doesn't look as pleasing, but believe me, the flavor is really good. It's not super moist, but it's not a dry cake, and it's not like the Publix carrot cakes that are super sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.